So one of the things that you can do with Gemini is get creative outputs as well, such as a poetry. Let's say, for example, you want a poetry about a certain topic, then you can simply tell it to generate a poetry. So I'm going to go around and say, write a poem about a boy who learns well from YouTube channel right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and then type that in right here, then you can see that this is what you have. So it written out the title as the digital mentor, and this is what you have. In the realms of pixel where knowledge gleamed, a curious boy, his spirits dreamed of numbers, words, and words unknown, a thirst for learning deeply shown. The TutorTube's portal, a magic gate where wisdom's treasure did their weight. With every click, a universe new concept unfolded, visions grew. From angles sharp to history's bend, a virtual teacher, a steadfast friend. So let's say I'm going to go around and modify this poem so that it's about learning computer softwares in YouTube channel right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that this is what you have. In the realms of pixels where codes take flight, a curious mind yearn for digital light of software realms and coding's art. A passion ignited a brand new start. TutorTube's portal, a virtual forest where coding skills would emerge in course. So I'm just going to go around and say, instead of coding, add designing right here, just like this. And as I go around over there, then it simply goes around and changes that out. So now you can see that it says a curious soul yearn for a designer's light of palette, shapes, and visual art right here, just like this. And this is how you can get creative with Gemini right here, and then generate out poetry in the topic of your choice inside of Google Gemini. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.